To DIY or not to DIY? That is the question. If you're like most savvy homeowners, you probably want to save money on home improvements by doing them yourself. But it's important to note that not all home renovations are smart to tackle yourself. In some cases, you'll need the expertise of a professional to ensure timely and proper completion of the project. And in others, it's perfectly acceptable to complete the job on your own. The question that remains is, how do you know when to do it yourself and when to hire a professional? Here are a few questions to ask yourself to help you determine the answer. Number 1. Have you done similar projects in the past? Number 2. Do you have a backup plan if something goes wrong? Number 3. How much time do you have to dedicate to the project? Number 4. Is it safe to DIY? Number 5. Do you have the tools and equipment? While some renovation projects are perfectly appropriate to handle on your own, it's important to make sure you're ready to take on the job before you get started. For all of those other times, when you need the help of a pro, lean on Daniel's Design and Remodeling. Contact us today to get started.